I could take over, boy, let me control ya. I wanna know your deepest intentions. I know I can be.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, and welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, consider subscribing as I make machine tutorials as well as other audio content that you're about to witness. Today we are working inside of Pro Tools, and what I want to do is show you a beat that I pretty much created around an acapella and just kind of the beginning stages of the beat. So let me go ahead and start off with this sleepy synth, I call it, because it just kind of makes you just want to go to sleep a little bit. So got this enabled and I'm using this plugin here. This comes from Complete Control. And I'm gonna go ahead and play the sequence that I am using here. So got it record enabled. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. So basically that is the main melody, just taking some chords and just kind of splitting them up. The next thing I did was I took this MIDI here and converted to audio because I don't know what it is, but sometimes I like working with MIDI, sometimes I like working with audio. In Pro Tools, I especially like working with audio. I don't like working with MIDI in Pro Tools, so I like to have everything in wave format. So what I did was clicked one of these, did commit, and what that does, it basically converts it to an audio, and you can take your source track here, and you can choose hide and make inactive, so it'll convert the audio, and it will hide this orange track right here. So I'm not going to do that again because I already did it once, but what I want to do is go ahead and go here and just do hide and make inactive just to get that out the way. So now I have my audio loop, which is in the blue here, and this is what I pretty much converted. So the next thing that I did was I said, you know what? I needed an 808. So I opened up Maschine, which is right here. I'm just using that just for the 808. And I'm using the Z808. You can see it's loaded here. And then I can record something in there. So let's go ahead and drop something there. I'll just move this off to the side and can just do play and record. So once I have that dropped in there, I can do the same deal. I can quantize it, edit it. So I'll just go ahead and do a quick quantize, do apply, listen back. And you can hear how this comes in kind of early here. So I'll just adjust this. All right, so that's sounding pretty cool to me. So once I had that pretty much down, I wanted to load up a clap just to kind of keep the beat going. So I loaded up battery. And battery contains different cells that have samples in them. So we have the hi-hat and we can add a clap. So that's what I'll do. I'll drop something in there. So let's just drop the clap for now. All right, so that is pretty much my process there. And then I had another plugin, which was Contact 8, and I was particularly using Leap, which is right here. And let me take out this other 808 and show you what the Leap is sounding like here. So I'll record enable this here so we can hear it. So pretty much just using Leap there, and still kind of torn between the two, but for right now, we'll just use the Z808. And then at first I had this bass in here. I do want to show you what I start off with was something like this here. Because at first I was going to make it a pop track. But then at the last minute, I said, you know what? Once I found this sleepy type of synth, I changed my mind. I said, you know what? I want to make it more like a pop trap type of style. So I pretty much removed the bass and just kept this here, added an 808, and then pretty much what I came up with. So last thing I want to show you is the acapella where I based it off of. And let me go ahead and play just a little sample of it. We'll play the raw vocals first, so nothing on the track, and let you just hear a piece of it.
I could take over, boy, let me control ya. I wanna know your deepest intention.
And then I added just auto tune, which is this right here. Add a de-esser. This is a gate expander, very comp, solid EQ, another solid EQ, and this plugin called Aurora. And this is a new plugin. If you guys haven't checked this out, I highly recommend that you guys pick it up. I'll leave a link in the description box below, but this plugin is going to probably replace a lot of my reverbs. Normally I use Metaverb, but this plugin I see myself using for sure in mixes. And then solid EQ, and then this here. And then so let me go ahead and play what it sounds like once it's been processed.
I could take over, boy, let me control ya. I wanna know your deepest intentions.
Like I said, Aurora just really adds some magic to the track.
I could take over, boy, let me control ya.
So when you put that together with the sleepy synth, and then let's play the 808, this is what you have here.
I could take over, boy, let me control ya. I wanna know your deepest intentions. I know I can be heartless, but I can still promise I wanna give you all my attention. Yeah.
And that's pretty much what I wanted to show you today. If you like what you saw, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. It's your boy Young Fizz, also known as Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in. We are out.